Hi. I'm Sis.
I'm
She.
and
Yes. What's your name?
you know who.
Ano you know who?
Palala ka, uy.
Michelle. Queen na. Sige, sabihin niyo. Hey, Precious.
Don't be sad na. You lost your iPhone.
Bilang ka na lang namin ng my phone.
Kahit saan man magpunta, ikaw ay my phone online. Yun lang.
Okay. Or, O plus na lang. Haha. Pero smile ka na. Ngayon kakanta na sila.
Kami lang. Ito.
Yan na. Yun.
You really know how to start fixing
Ano ba? Daday muna! Ulit! Bloopers. Okay. Sa pa ulit. Dito ka, usod ka, pakita ka, ate. Okay.
Remember the day. Remember the day. Remember the day. Remember the day. You really know how to start. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool's dreams have fallen apart. Fixing a broken heart. What time is it where you are? I miss you more than anything. I hope you will go on. Waiting for the rain. It's gonna really end it upside down. Making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight. Going out of my head alone. You get better, wake up to your sunset. And it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad. And my heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. So jet lagged. Everybody needs a little time away. I heard it say from each other. Even lovers need a holiday. Far away from the one that I love. Hold me now. It's time for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to stay. Hold me now. I really wanna tell you I'm sorry. I can never let you go. All that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise you, and after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go. It's red roses and you know that I'm gonna give it again. That I can't get you out of my mind. No, I can't. I really can't. I wish I hadn't asked you out. I wish I didn't have to doubt about myself in those 3 minutes that you stood in front of me. I wish I didn't walk away. I wish I had the guts to say, would you be mine?
Oh, yeah.
I wish I could have asked you to be my Valentine. Oh, Valentine.
It could happen naman. Sige nga, haba na to eh. Haha.
Magkuto ka dito.
Smile na, smile na.
Meron ka na naman kuto.